Struggling to decide which platform will fuel your AI automation dreams? This video will arm you with the knowledge to choose between Mulesoft and Spring Boot, tailoring your decision to your specific business needs. First, let's break down Mulesoft. The integration powerhouse, Mulesoft excels at connecting disparate systems through its robust API management capabilities. Think of it as the conductor of your data orchestra, orchestrating seamless communication between all your applications and data sources, crucial for feeding data-hungry AI models. Now, let's look at Spring Boot. Spring Boot shines with its speed and simplicity for building standalone, production-ready applications. Its vast ecosystem of libraries allows developers to quickly develop microservices tailored for AI processing, like image recognition or natural language processing. Consider integration capabilities. Mulesoft's pre-built connectors simplify connecting to countless SaaS applications, while Spring Boot often requires more custom code for integration, which is great if you want to fully customize it. Ease of use is another key factor. Spring Boot's straightforward setup and extensive documentation make it easier for developers to get started. Mulesoft's learning curve can be steeper, requiring more specialized knowledge of its integration platform. And lastly, let's talk about scalability. Both platforms can scale to handle large workloads. Mulesoft's cloud-native architecture makes it well-suited for enterprise-level deployments, while Spring Boot's microservices architecture allows you to independently scale individual AI components. So, which one wins? If you need seamless integration across a wide range of systems, Mulesoft might be your champion, but if you prioritize rapid development of custom AI services, Spring Boot could be the right choice. Ultimately, the best AI automation tool depends on your unique project requirements and existing infrastructure.